So today I'm growing celery. What I'm going to do, these are both old seeds, so I'm going to sow both sets of seeds in the one tray, and what comes up comes up. So let's get going. Two things to remember about celery is the seed needs light to germinate. So I'm sure you can do it without the light, but it germinates better with the light. So the way to do it is to, now the seeds are also quite fine, so in this case I will very lightly tamp this down so that I know I've got a good contact with the compost. Now that's really light tamping. Just get a few of each seeds. I don't need a huge amount of these, but as you can see the seeds are so small, but I don't know if these are being picked up, but that's Pascal and this is Blush. Seem to be almost out of these, so I'll do them all and I'll order fresh seeds for next year. Now the other thing is that the second thing that celery needs is light. So to cover them, just use a decent amount of vermiculite, not compost, and then some of the light will come through and help germinate. That's the theory. Now I'm going to give these a really good water from the bottom, because I don't want all that vermiculite disturbed, and put a label in, and that's job done. Removing the cardboard from the top of the two huge containers that I use for growing carrots in. I need to condition these now because I'll be sowing these next week in both of these carrots. So I'm clearing away the protective layers of cardboard and leaves, and revealing the soil that the carrots are going to go in. There's plenty of worm activity. I put these all fallen leaves from last year on the compost. Now I'm not going to be sowing into that. What I'm going to do is put about an inch layer of the cocoa coir on top of here, and I'll be sowing into that.